It's GTO time. We have a gorgeous 1967 genuine Pontiac GTO made pro touring. It's a complete body off frame rotisserie restoration. It has an LS3 Hot Cam motor under the hood, 4L65 overdrive, upgraded brakes and suspension, and custom exhaust and color. Genuine all leather upholstery with a stereo system and power windows and locks and all sorts of good stuff. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or if you want to scan the QR code on your screen, it'll bring you directly to this car. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing has zero rust in it. Absolutely straight panels, front to back. It has the GTO scooped hood, and all this is straight and looking good, and the gaps are all nice and square, and the fender's smooth, all looking real nice. No antenna, they kept it clean, no emblems here, no rocker moldings. All this is straight, coming down the panels straight, quarter panels are straight. Jambs are painted nice and clear coated. Shuts like a new car. So all this is looking real good. Even right behind the tires, all shiny. Bumpers fit the body real nicely. All straight, clean, looking real good. It's actually a Mazda color base coat. And then the mid coat is a pearl. And then it's a diamond clear coat on top. So it's got real deep finish. Again, all looking straight. Look at that. It looks like you reach right in there. All clean. All looking really good. Clean rockers. Doors fit real nicely. Jambs are painted and clear coated. So the body's in excellent shape. Paint's beautiful. It's an obvious custom color when you see it. Really radiant. All the glass was replaced. This is smoked glass, not stick-on tints, all smoked glass. The vent window frames are original. There's some freckles on those. The mirrors are new. The moldings are polished. Up front, the headlight bezels, bumpers, grills, all that looks like new. The arrowhead emblem, and it has these really cool high-intensity headlights up front. They're LED. Couldn't think of that for a second. Same thing over here, new mirror. Got a couple freckles on the vent window frame. These moldings, very good. The other side has some light scratches on the molding. It's like an anodized trim. The wheel well moldings have been replaced. They're 17-inch Riddler wheels wrapped in BFGoodrich G-Force tires. Got a great stance. Emblem looks new. And around back, the bumper and trim, all that's looking great. When Michael demonstrates the taillights, you're going to love it. They're Digitail taillights. They're sequential and they're LED. They'll blink across. Really cool looking. All right, why don't we open it up? I got a lot more cool stuff to show you. All right, let's look inside the trunk. There's that same beautiful radiant paint under the trunk lid and the jamb. Weather strip is replaced, and you can see it's completely boxed, upholstered, carpeted floor. I'm sure the battery is hidden behind that compartment there, that panel, and probably find some stereo equipment back there too. It's got a system in it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Got some great cars lined up. Yep, so it has that deep clear coat in the jambs. Weather strips are replaced. Completely custom made door panels wrapped in genuine leather. Built-in speakers at the bottom and the tweeters towards the top. It has a wood grain inlay. Ooh, the seat's comfortable. You get the dash lit up. It's got a new dash pad as a high gloss wood grain finish. Dakota digital gauges. Showing 313 miles. Not many miles on this build at all. Look at the digital climate control setting. That's really cool. You have your USB ports there. The Kenwood stereo system. All this looks fresh. The AC vents were neatly installed. I don't know if there's going to be anything in here because I hate glove boxes. You got to push in as you're trying to pull them out. Carpet's all fresh. Floor mats, custom-made console, cup holders. Has a low-car shifter with a nice billet bezel. We got power locks, power windows. And this is all wrapped in genuine leather. Got an armrest and compartment. Nice sport bucket seats. Again, genuine leather with diamond stitching. They do recline. Same thing in back, all leather, same matching stitching. Got seat belts for everybody. The side panels match the door panels. In back there, custom rear shelf with a couple of speakers and probably a subwoofer in the middle. Custom headliner with matching visors. It's all American auto wire system, wiring and fuse panel. Billet specialty steering wheel on a tilt column. So very nice, luxurious, custom interior. That's a beautiful engine compartment. There's some work in here. At the heart of it is an LS3 Hot Cam 480, they call it. It's a 6.2 liter all aluminum, making 495 horsepower from GM Performance. It has these nice custom engine covers painted to match with the GTO. Look at the firewall. That is smoothed out. You have Hedman Hustler headers coated. The AC and the heat lines run through this cover here. So everything's hidden. This whole front cover's custom made, all painted beautiful. Paint's deep looking, all stainless hardware. Custom dual air intakes go behind the inner fenders. Has a CVF front runner system, so mini compressor, blacked out billet brackets, serpentine pulleys, pure power alternator, one wire, modern power steering with the remote reservoir, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, aluminum water pump, Wilwood master cylinder, blacked out billet hinges, and then even the bottom of the hood, the underside of the hood, has this custom made panel. There's a lot of money in fabrication in this engine compartment. They did a fantastic job. And you got the reliability and performance of a GM crate motor, which Michael will demonstrate for you right now. See you in a few minutes.
Alright everybody, what a sharp little GTO, man. That 6.2 liter sounding great, nice and easy to operate. I got in it, just barely tapped the key, and it's running fantastic. Fuel injected for really nice reliability and plenty of horsepower, rated at 495. But I really can't get over the interior of this car. It is genuine leather, and it smells like genuine leather in here. Absolutely fantastic. And the seats are both comfortable and supportive. Really nice looking diamond stitching on them too. Let's see what she's got. Alright, and just like that, we are officially speeding. Bring it back down to 60 miles an hour here. But it's easy to go fast in this car. Got up past 60 in no time at all. What a performer. This upgraded QA1 suspension feels fantastic. Let's see how she goes down the road. Holds the line nice and tight, great alignment, great setup on the suspension as well. Got the climate control on. You got a absolutely banging Bluetooth stereo with two 12-inch subwoofers. Check out the options and functions reel on that one. This stereo is something special, and just a great build overall. Come take it for a test drive if you'd like to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So in the beginning, I told you this is a rotisserie restoration. So they removed the body from the frame and they put the body on a rotisserie so they can flip it in all different angles. It just allows them to access areas much more comfortably. They're going to do a better job. So they can actually flip the car upside down. The underbody is pristine, rust-free metal. The floors, the braces, all that looks fantastic. And it's all painted a nice semi-gloss black. The frame has been boxed and prepped and powder coated. Completely rebuilt steering and suspension, a lot of upgrades. Up front, QA1 tubular upper and lower control arms, lowering springs, QA1 gas shocks. In back, it has QA1 control arms, upper and lower, the lowering springs, the polished gas shocks, really nice, and a sway bar. Really nice custom exhaust with a crossover pipe, Borla S-type polished stainless mufflers, has resonators back here in the tailpipe, and then it has the GTO exhaust splitters hanging down. I love those. Wilwood disc brakes at all four wheels, 6-piston calipers in front, yep, all red calipers, all stainless lines. The whole fuel system was replaced. It's compatible with the fuel injection motor. You look up at the motor, it's all aluminum, has a high torque starter with some heat insulation around it. A 4L65E, that's the overdrive automatic transmission. Rebuilt drive shaft, goes back to a 12-bolt rear end with the Mosier muscle pack in it. So it's got posi gears in there and all that stuff is new. So just the whole package, the steering, the suspension, the exhaust, brakes, everything under there is fantastic, looking like $1 million. Got the right stance, luxurious interior. This is a beautiful show car that you're going to want to get in and drive. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get this GTO delivered to your door. You need financing, insurance, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.